What's up, everybody? ID84 here. Where's ID.com, Book Explorers. I'm here in Jamaica Plains, out of Boston, off the Stony Brook line, and I am where Sam Adams first started here in Boston. Now it's like an old factory mill combination thing here. There's a bunch of stuff going on, and last time I was here was years ago, so let's go check it out and see if it still looks like it used to. So I'll tell you, if you're doing this tour, take the T in to the Orange Line to Stony Brook, because this area of Jamaica Plain, there is almost very little parking, especially if you're going to come during the day and at night. Either whenever you go, it's going to be a little bit. They do have a small parking lot, but every time I've attempted to do this video, the parking lot has been full. So I'm actually walking around the back of the building right now. So they still do like small brew or experimental stuff here, from what I understand. They're big breweries out in I think it's Pennsylvania and Cincinnati. They do most of their brewing, but this is like the test one. And this whole mall is part of like a giant like arts installment, I guess you could say. A lot of artists have lofts and stuff here, but it's like an old factory. And if you just read in that last thing, apparently this was a brewery prior to Sam Adams coming in and taking it over in the 90s, and been here since. So let's pop in there and see what we can see.
That's why I wanted to check this out. That's more fun.
Yeah,
And the main thing is like, yeah.
medical software,
Just gotta talk about finance.
Alright, well, sorry there wasn't much to show other than some pictures that I took while I was in there and around, but I was sitting at the bar area. The bar area is fine. You've seen the videos, kind of tables set up and everything for people for tasting. Like I said, I did the tour years ago. It had to be almost 15 years ago, and it's completely different. They didn't have the tasting room, the tap room they have there, or the store. It was just, you met and there was this little bar you went into, and they took you around, and then there was a room where there was a big table where you sat and drank, and that was about it. So it's definitely a lot more complex than it used to be, but definitely plan on taking the tour. We have to come back here and check it out, because how much has changed, but something to do, if you know what I mean. But that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Sam Adams Brewery here in Jamaica Plain, Boston. Check it out. It seems to be open almost every day, so be a good time.